All right. It is Tuesday, May 26, 2020 at 5:01 p.m. All right, guys, let's take a look quickly here at some weather. We have tropical disturbance bringing Florida rainfall. We got tropical disturbance that will focus heavy rainfall and gusty winds in parts of Florida into Tuesday. Flooding is possible, particularly in southern parts of the Florida peninsula. The National Hurricane Center said the system is not expected to develop into a tropical cyclone. So the tropical disturbance is unleashing heavy rainfall in Florida, where it could trigger bouts of flooding earlier this week. There is a weak area of low pressure near the Florida peninsula, interacting with tropical moisture over the state. There is a resulting numerous showers and thunderstorms over the Florida peninsula. The National Hurricane Center said the low is not expected to become a tropical cyclone due to strong upper level winds, giving it just a 20% chance of development in the next few days as it moves toward and along the U.S. Coastline. And here's a picture of it going from Melbourne to Jacksonville, parts of Savannah. So let's take a look here. Here it is right now over the radar in Florida, bringing more rain to parts of Miami and southern Florida, as well as Florida and parts of Georgia, northern Florida. Alright, here is Charleston, South Carolina radar, bringing in the rain from the south. Then we have the rain that's happening over Jacksonville right now, parts of Florida, parts of New Orleans, parts of Texas, parts of Birmingham, Alabama, Atlanta, and parts of Tennessee. So it's pretty much heading north. Here is the forecast model for the areas that are going to be experiencing rain. Then here is an image right now of the infrared image of the storms. You see some storms coming off of Mexico and Texas right now, pushing off into the Gulf, bringing possible more storms to Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama. Here's the storm off the 91L invest off the Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina coast, bringing in more rain to the south. Here's the forecast for where the rain is going to accumulate in the next 5 days. It's going to be South Carolina, North Carolina region. It says here, wet times through Friday, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. More rain. And here we have a tornado in Waukee, Iowa. Credit to Whitney Custer. Let's take a look at this video. Look at that wedge. Alright. That is a nice tornado. Alright. And then we have the National Hurricane Center. Disturbance 1 with 30% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. Regardless of development, heavy rainfall could cause flash flooding over portions of coastal sections in northeastern Florida and Georgia through tonight, and over portions of the Carolinas on Wednesday. Gusty winds could also produce rough maritime conditions and life-threatening surf and rip currents along the coast of northeastern Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas throughout Wednesday. So we have formation chance of 48 hours, low 30%, and formation chance through 5 days, a low at 30%. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Please stay aware that it is hurricane season coming June 1st. So we're already acting like it's hurricane season because of the storms already coming in. Because of Arthur and everything. But please start getting your things ready and prepared for hurricane season. Start getting your bottled water, your batteries, the canned foods or foods that you can eat when there's no power. You know, any food that is non-perishable that you can pretty much store away, and just in case of a hurricane, in case the lights go out, and in case of that emergency, just start getting prepared for it because hurricane season is right at our doorsteps. Alright, guys, see you next time. God bless.